Hey y'all, so I wanted to reply to Shay's comment just because I wanted it to be easier for y'all to find. So I did not spend thousands of dollars on veneers. I could not justify that. And I'm sure a lot of you ladies that follow me cannot justify spending thousands of dollars on veneers when we have other financial obligations going on in our lives. Pretty true, okay? So I saw this company on Facebook. I saw this company on Instagram. I saw this company on TikTok. And I saw it as a personal sign. Girl, go ahead and see what this company is about. So the name of the company is Pop-On Veneers. Y'all have probably seen ads for Pop-On Veneers. So I went ahead, I got on their website. I ordered the Hollywood white top and bottom veneers. There is Hollywood white, there is natural white, and then there is a mature color. And I had never had that super bright smile, that perfect white smile, and that's what I wanted. So that's why I went with the Hollywood white. They will send you your mold kit, which comes in a box just like this. They send you a mold kit. You do not have to go into an office and do anything. You do it at home. So they give you instructions, and there's a QR code for a video on how to do the molds. You make 3 sets of molds, top and bottom. You put it in the box, you seal it up. It's a pre-postage box, so you do not have to pay anything for shipping. And you send it back. 2-day shipping. They keep you updated on every step of the process that they go through. They will let you know when they have received your molds. Then after that, it takes 2 to 4 weeks to get your veneers in. Mine took right at 3 weeks. I did email them and ask them the process of my veneers. They emailed me back within probably an hour, if that, letting me know the process of my veneers. They communicate with you. They're great. Now these, you can do a payment plan for them. You do not have to pay outright for them. You can do weekly payments and purchase them. So even if you don't have that money straight, like up front, you can make payments on them, and that's perfectly fine. So I got them in. I got extremely lucky with mine. They fit me perfect. I have 0 complaints about them. But if they do not fit you, you can send them back and they will make adjustments. They will do whatever you need in order for you to be perfectly happy. I've tried eating in them. I wouldn't say eat hard foods. You could eat, softer foods, regular foods, but I wouldn't go with hard foods. But honestly, y'all, other than that, I am absolutely in love.